Hello and welcome back to a brand new video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to cancel your order on Plix.com. So basically you're going to have to want to be signed in. That's the first prerequisite. And then after doing your order, if you catch it quick enough because you changed your mind about your order and you're picky like that, then you can go to orders. And if it says processing, then you press, there's going to be a cancel option. But if it's already processed and it's on its way, well, you might want to have to talk to customer support. How do you talk to customer support? That's a great question. You scroll right down until you get to customer care or chat with us on WhatsApp and be like, hey, I want to cancel my order. I'm picky like that. Or you can just track your order and cry as it makes its way to you and you're full of regret. But hey, maybe you changed your mind about it. I don't know. But yeah, basically you're going to have to want to catch it before the order goes away. By go away, I mean stops processing and is actually processed and on its way to you. Thanks for watching.